So I've had business in Orlando now, I think at least once this year, and back again. I'm at the airport right now. And so I thought, why not? I want to make sure that those who are in Florida, in Central Florida, in Orlando, in where I'm traveling to, that you know that I'll be there. And I do plan on potentially, I'm trying to figure out if I can build kind of a small business in Orlando where I may be there a couple days out of the month or maybe every other month, so that those of you who want to meet me and schedule something with me, even if it's just conversation, if it's coaching, if it's touch of whatever it is, whatever richness that you're looking for in your life, maybe somehow we can make it work. So unfortunately, I won't be able to host in Orlando unless I would need you to host at this point because I don't have the space for it. But again, I just want to make sure you know, hey, Orlandoans, I'm headed your way. And if you're interested, come find me. Love y'all. Bye.